Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Wonderla holidays. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Wonderla with a revised price target of Rs 750. Wonderla posted strong performance in Q1 of FY24 versus high base of Q1 of FY23, with revenues growing by 24% year-on-year, EBITDA margins improving by 219 bps year-on-year to 63.3%, EBITDA and PAT grew by 28% year-on-year and 31% year-on-year respectively. Footfall stood flat year-on-year at 11.02 lakhs versus 8.9 lakh footfalls in pre-COVID levels. Management expects footfalls to grow by 4 to 5% and ARPU to grow by 15% in FY24. Initiatives and marketing strategies will help in consistent footfall and ARPU growth in the near term. Construction of new park in Odisha has begun, while Chennai Park's construction will start soon. Both parks will be operational in FY26. It will sign one new project by FY24 and in either Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat or Punjab. The stock trades at 22 times FY24 estimated EPS and 19 times FY25 estimated EPS and 14 times FY24 EV by EBITDA. Next on radar is ISGEC Heavy. Our analysts maintain positive view on ISGEC Heavy, considering strong execution, margin expansion, debt reduction and working capital cycle improvement in the medium to long term. Order backlog stands at Rs 8411 crore, up 8.7% year-on-year, while order pipeline is strong across sector like sugar, cement, steel and refinery in both manufacturing and project segments. Export sales are expected to improve going forward as the order book has strengthened. It plans to commission Philippines ethanol plant by mid-November 23 and expect revenue of Rs 125 crore in Q4 of FY24 from this plant, with EBITDA margin at 28 to 30%. We have built in revenue CAGR of 13% and PAT CAGR of 28% for FY23 to FY25 earnings. The stock trades at 16 times FY25 estimated EPS. Next, we have an update on LTI Mindtree Limited. Our analyst maintains buy on LTI Mindtree with unchanged price target of Rs 5880. Given the healthy deal pipeline and strong order flow despite muted Q1, company reported strong order inflow of $1.41 billion, up 4.4% quarter-on-quarter. Deal pipeline was up 10% quarter-on-quarter with a significant increase in large deal pipeline. Management has maintained its guidance to double-digit revenue growth in FY24 and is confident of achieving 17 to 18% EBIT range as a part of the exit for FY24. The company expects to be in the leading growth quadrant. We expect 5.4% sales and 8.9% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY25 earnings. We believe the stock continues to trade at reasonable valuation at 30.7 times FY24 estimated EPS and 24.7 times FY25 estimated EPS. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.